Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. I highly appreciate that. Have you ever thought that you can be one of the victims for coronavirus or any other disease? Let's find out. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the immune system, health, and your strength to combat with the diseases, especially with coronavirus. Let's go to the symptoms first. So coronavirus symptoms are, some of them are having fever, sore throat, dry cough, blocked nose, pain in the chest, breathing problems, and body ache. The planets which are responsible to see the health and immunity for an individual, and especially with coronavirus, are your ascendant lord. That means the ascendant planet, Sun, Moon, and Mercury becomes very important over here. Ascendant planet is the one which shows how much strength do you have to combat any of the illnesses. It is you yourself, your body, and your wellness. Sun shows the inner soul and the confidence which is there in you. So the healthier you are, the more confident you feel. Moon shows how much mentally strong you are or psychologically strong you are to face any trouble in life, and especially this virus. So Moon actually shows the psychological strength. Like for example, there are a lot of people who see darkness in a dark area and they will not go over there thinking that there can be something over there or there can be a ghost there. But of course there is not, but it is only in the mind. So it shows the mental strength do you have to combat this virus. It also shows some of the problems and symptoms related to the virus like fever, body pain, cold, cough, and flu. Mercury becomes very important here because Mercury shows your respiratory system. It shows the breathing issues that one faces, which is one of the prime symptom of this virus. So I'm going to give you two criteria. You have to fit in these planets into those criteria to find out whether you are susceptible for this virus or not. So if you don't know where are your planets placed and you want to get a personal reading, then you can contact me directly to get your personal consultations. All the details will be here. But so let's see any criteria that we can find. The first criteria is that where are these planets placed in your particular horoscope? Are they placed in 6, 8 and 12 houses? 6, 8 and 12 houses are the malefic houses or the bad houses. So planets placed over here are certainly not showing any kind of strength for health and immunity. You have to see if these planets are placed in 1, 4, 7 and 10 house of your chart. 1, 4, 7 houses are the Kendra houses. So Kendra means in Hindi as a center point. This Kendra has to be very strong in order for any structure to stand. Like if you see a big building or a large structure, the center point has to be very strong in order to hold that structure tall. So this pillar of your horoscope, 1, 4, 7 and 10 houses have to be very strong. The stronger they are, the better your life is. Second criteria is that you have to see the dignity of these planets. Means what? You have to see the degree that these planets are in. So if these planets are infant or they are old, you have to see that, because if they are very small or very old, then they will not have any strength to give results, whether good or bad. Then you have to see that what kind of sign placement are these planets in your chart. Are they in a friendly sign? Are they an enemy sign? Are they exalted, which means very good, or are they debilitated, which means they're not that much comfortable. Also, we have to see if they are Vargottama in your chart. Vargottama means they are in the same zodiac sign as your birth sign, birth chart, and your Navamsha chart. I'm going to make separate videos on Navamsha chart, but this is what you have to observe. Then you have to see that what kind of planet is aspecting here. Are some malefic planets or bad planets looking at these planets like Saturn, Rahu or Ketu? These are the two criteria you have to see. If these planets are in 6, 8, 12 house and what is the dignity of these planets? Are they strong or are they weak? In case they are weak, they don't have that much power, they are being looked at or glared at by malefic planets, then you have some chances that you may be a victim of illnesses, especially this virus. Never too late to increase your immunity. Drink a lot of water. That will strengthen your immune. Have green leafy vegetables. That is going to give strength to your mercury. That is very important to have some strength on mercury, especially to combat with this particular virus. So please increase your immunity, eat well, stay safe and stay healthy. I will be back very soon with another video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.